Hi guys, this is my first video, so it's not going to be the best. For my first video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make cloud slime. You will need glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. For the slime, for the cloud, you will need pads. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So this is the pad I'm going to be using. You could use any pad. So let's open it. You need to peel the sticker from the back of the pad, then over the flaps and take the sticker off. Then you put it in a bowl. Then pour water into the pad. Tilt the bowl so the water can go all over the pad. This will make the instant snow inside the pad, which is the cloud. Now peel the top layer of the pad. You will see this clear, gooey instant snow inside the pad. Take the layer that's inside the instant snow. This is how the instant snow looks like. Then scrape the instant snow with a fork off the fabric. This is the instant snow. It's all ready. So now we need to make the slime. You need a bowl and a spoon to make your slime in it and mix it. I'm going to use Elmer's school glue to make the slime. I'm going to use contact lens solution as the activator, so I'm going to pour it in. So now I'm going to add a little bit of baking soda so it could clump up. I'm going to add a little bit of water so it could be nice and soft. This is super watery, but it's fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna add a little bit more borax so it could be better. So, yep. It's not ready yet, so I'm just gonna add more contact lens solution. A lot of contact lens solution. But it's probably really sticky, I guess. More baking soda. It's so hard to mix. My hands really hurt. It's clumped up now. Now it's ready to put the instant snow in. I just need to knead it because it's kind of sticky. So, yep. So now I'm going to put the instant snow in the slime, and that's how you make cloud slime, but it's not really done. Also, you need to tear a little bit and put it into another bowl, because if you don't, it will get really sticky and it will make it too big and also really hard and sticky. It's weird. So, yep. See, it's starting to get really sticky. I will see you when the slime is ready. So now I'm back and I finished my slime, and as you can tell, it's a different color because I want it to be a different color. So this isn't actually another day. I couldn't film because I was really busy. So yeah, I hope you like my video. Subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below what slime you want me to make. Okay, bye!